big blow to fugitive Mehul Choksi. Belgium Supreme Court has dismissed the fugitive diamond trader's appeal, challenging the order that cleared the way for his extradition to India. Choksi had approached the Court of Cassation in October after the Antwerp Court of Appeal on October 17th upheld India's extradition request and ruled that the order was enforceable. The appellate court's decision marked one of the final legal hurdles in the long-running extradition process, prompting Choksi to seek relief from Belgium's highest judicial authority. India and Thailand have extradition treaty that was signed in 2013. Three Indian fugitives have since been extradited to India from the year 2006 onwards. Clearly, trouble is mounting for Mehul Choksi. The chances of him getting extradited to India is only increasing right now, with India really hot on the heels and has been in fact pressurizing the government for a while now. Now, Belgium's Supreme Court has dismissed the fugitive diamond trader's appeal, challenging the order that cleared the way for his extradition to India. In fact, he was seeking relief, had approached the court after the Antwerp Court of Appeal upholding India's extradition request, ruling that the order was enforceable. I'm going to go straight across to Shreya, tracking those details. Shreya, the fact of the matter is now that sooner rather than later, we will see Mehul Choksi back in the country, given that all his legal options really seem to be running out, isn't it? One after the
Well,
other, actually.
absolutely. Sneha, we've been seeing our agencies on the toes right since they filed the investigation against Mehul Choksi. And in this particular scam, we are right now seeing the Indian agencies actually gain a big win, as in the Court of Cassation, which is the Belgium top court equivalent to the Supreme Court of India. His plea has now been rejected. Now, this was a plea that Mehul Choksi's advocates filed in the month of October. The hearing was happening yesterday, and the ruling was in favor of the Indian government. We'll have to see that whether he tries to use any other kind of, his excuses or reasons to actually escape the extradition process, but doesn't look like so, because remember, the Indian government via the agencies had also filed the proper mechanisms that will be taken in place once Mehul Choksi is extradited back, the kind of jails that he will be staying in, the kind of rules and regulations that will be followed. So clearly, the Indian agencies are almost a step ahead, and as we possibly are right now looking at, Mehul Choksi might soon be extradited back to the country.
We'll leave it there for the moment. Shreya Chatterjee getting in those details and up to speed with that information involving